Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Notion exports to Google Drive for archives. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Notion account. Navigate to the page you wish to export. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page. Select the export option from the drop-down menu. Choose your desired export format, either PDF, HTML, or Markdown. Click the export button to download the file to your computer. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Log into your Google Drive account if prompted. Locate the My Drive section in the left sidebar. Click the New button located in the upper left corner. Select File Upload from the drop-down menu. Browse your computer to find the Notion export file you just downloaded. Select the file and click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. Once uploaded, you can organize the file by creating a new folder if desired. To create a new folder, click New again and select Folder. Name the folder appropriately, for example, Notion Archives. Drag and drop your exported file into the new folder for better or your Notion export is now securely backed up in Google Drive. Consider repeating this process regularly to keep your Notion data up to date. Check the upload to ensure it is accessible from your Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.